Sometimes users of Microsoft Office or Office 365 may run into error 30010-4 when installing Office. The error may appear with a fresh install when you upgrade your Office installation. If you find a problem to resolve this issue, follow the solutions in this tutorial to fix Office error code 300104. Method 1. Restart your computer and reinstall Office. Method 2. Uninstall and reinstall Office. There may be some components, software, left after a previous installation that may prevent you from installing a new package of Office. Using the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant tool will assist you to completely uninstall Office. Method 3. Use the offline installer. If the above does not help, then the offline installer may help avoid potential proxy, antivirus, firewall, or internet connections issues during an Office installation.